Hello,
Good,
everybody. Sorry. Go ahead.
good morning, Victoria. Hey, everybody. December 11th, coming at you 9:30 in the morning on a Thursday morning. And we are talking about the latest rate announcement from Bank of Canada. And we're going to do our end of year wrap up because this is our last meeting for the year. So there you go.
But hold on. I just want to
there's
say
more.
happy birthday to Jen. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you.
Looking fabulous for 35, Jen.
Thank you. Yes, 35.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. Shall we sing? No, I don't think so.
No.
No, we've got a show to do. So awesome. So we're going to talk stats today. We're going to talk through the week stats as we always do, just to give everybody a quick update on what's going on in the last week. And then we're going to dive into the mortgage rates. And then we'll just wish everyone a happy holidays. Right. Okay. So thank you, Jane.
All right. I'll help you out here. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm. So Jen, you want to give us a quick update?
Yeah. I mean, without getting into the rate, Bank of Canada rate announcement yesterday morning, we definitely, this past Friday was a bit of an annoying day in that the labor market numbers came in much higher than expected, which triggered the bond yields to increase fast. So lenders literally that day were getting emails saying midnight tonight, rates are going up 0.2%. It was the increase to rates. It was surprisingly fast for lenders to increase their rates that quickly. So a bit of annoying on this past Friday, but worked through it.
Does that impact any of your transactions? Like
nothing that like anything that we're just, I'm waiting to hear back from a client on which, rate they're looking at. I'm saying, hey, heads up, we've got rates going up tonight. So those decisions were made quickly to avoid any impact there. But any, files now or new applications where clients didn't have a pre-approval rate hold in place, it affects them for sure.
So what's a 5-year fix right now?
Around that 4.24%.
And what's a variable now that the Bank of Canada is holding its rate?
Variable hasn't changed. So we're seeing the variables around 3.7.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
And still recommending variable overall?
Yes. I mean, whenever I talk interest rates and the fixed versus variable. I mean, variable is, everybody loves the variable when rates are going down. But the reality is that rates will go up and they will come down. So people have to be okay that rates will go up at some point during that 5-year term.
And the expectation is that they're going to go up next year, right?
The current expectation, honestly, that can change. All it takes is the inflation numbers or the labor market numbers to be different. And that changes the outlook. So it's been a roller coaster. I feel like, we're told rates are dropping. Oh, they dropped once. Now they're increasing. Panic. But it's challenging right now.
Has there ever been there is times where interest rates are fairly stable and everything is fairly predictable, and that could go on for a year or two, I guess, but we've just had a lot of volatility lately.
Since
it's
COVID.
Not like things are crazy.
Yeah. Since COVID, it's just been that uncertainty that has affected the real estate market consistently.
Right. What do you think is going to happen? Like if you were buying a condo in Esquimalt right now, what would you pick?
I'm a variable. I personally am comfortable with going with a variable rate. I like the fixed payment variable option as I got one of these a few years ago. So right now, what's my the lifetime of my mortgage has significantly dropped because my payment hasn't changed with the rate drops that have happened. So
Right.
I'm a variable fan, but
Okay.
Awesome.
Interesting. We're closing on a condo, Andrew, and we bought it like at the height of COVID. And I'm like, why?
Was this a new construction, Jane, that you put down?
Mhm.
Because that seems like a long time ago that COVID
Mhm.
was now. Okay.
Yeah.
So interesting. Yeah, that's a
Mhm.
value
harder one
came in
to.
good, though.
Yes, the value came in higher than the sale price, so
Yeah,
that's good.
because I
Okay,
gotta
good.
say, right now we're definitely seeing appraised values coming in lower, especially on condos.
Do you want to speak to
Mm.
that briefly, Jen? Because that's always a good
Mhm.
reminder for people when they're looking to buy something and they agree on a price and then the appraised value comes in lower, how that might affect
Yeah.
their down payment.
So with pre-sales especially, if a lot of time goes on before you're able to close on the purchase, and if the value decreases, a lender looks at the lower value. So it's either the agreed to purchase price or the appraisal, whichever is lower.
Mhm.
And because you've agreed to this price, you have to come up with the difference.
Right. Which means that if you let's say paid 500 and the appraisal comes in at 475, that you have to make up that 25 somehow. Or
Mhm.
In your down payment.
Mhm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
which
above
is
and beyond the down payment that's normally applied for a. Yeah.
Now,
So I find-
hopefully, sorry. I'll just add this one point. Hopefully, though, your mortgage broker at the time that you did the purchase originally could have got an appraisal at that point in time, which could have avoided any possible decrease in value as well. So,
but if it's a new construction and it's over 2 years old, it doesn't count, does it? The appraisal, like, because it's new construction, it's not finished.
it depends on the lender. It gets tricky. But,
Okay.
Ugh.
Yeah.
So the subtlety there again is talk to your mortgage broker.
Yes.
Talk to your mortgage broker. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. That's the takeaway, guys.
Fine print, talk to your mortgage broker.
Yep.
All right.
Awesome. Okay. So let's move on to our stats for the week. And I'll take it away here. We've got, in the last week, we had 126 properties listed and 229 from the week before. So we're definitely down on new listings. And again, we're moving into December, so that is to be expected. A lot of folks are going to hold off until the new year. 106 properties went pending versus 124 the week before, and 61 price decreases versus 130 the week before. 53 properties expired, and that's down from the 68 the week before.
I will say though, on for my listings right now, I'm actually getting more showings, so that's a good thing.
I've got buyers that have come out of the woodwork. We actually just competed on a property 2 days ago, and have been, actively showing properties to people that have come online, you might say. So that's an interesting thing and a good indication of what maybe the spring market will be like with buyers starting to look again.
Mm-hmm. Interested in finding a deal. It's a good time right now,
Yes.
because anybody who's on the market is motivated. All right. So our list to sale ratio this week is 84%.
Holy.
Compared to 54% last year.
Last week.
Sorry.
Yeah. So when we look back here, 126 new listings this week versus 106 properties went pending. That's where that 84% comes in. And then 229 new listings the week before with only 124 pendings. Yes, Jane?
Yeah, but the accepted offers would have happened 2 weeks ago. So the pending is reported, but the offers would have happened a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah. Okay. The subtleties of the stats, the underlying subtleties of the stats. Jane, you want to take this one away?
Sure. So we have 102 net unconditional sales for the month of December 2025, and that's compared to 421. And we're 11 days in, so this is pretty good. New listings were at 160 for the month of December 2025, and that's compared to 431. I expect we're going to be lower than last year. And
Definitely.
total active listings were below 3,000 at 2,974, and that's higher than last year at 2,291.
Right. That figure from 2,291 would have been probably end of month last year. I'm not sure when they take that actual metric from. So it still remains to be seen. We could get there as we get later into this month.
And last year we did have a very good November and December. I remember.
Yeah. Things continued to be pretty active. I certainly had a really busy beginning spring or early winter, or late winter, that is. So where do we go from here? We are done. We want to wish everyone a merry holidays,
Yes.
best of the season and all of those things. And I know everybody's feeling probably the weight of the snow, not snow. There is no snow yet, but there is definitely a lot of rain and fog and some cooler days and some shorter days. So, if you're having trouble with your mood and such, reach out to a friend, reach out to one of us. It's one of those funny times of year where people get both happy and sad. So I just want to acknowledge that. But also, get out those Christmas lights and let's light up the night.
So we're going to be back on January 8th because we're not going to be on the 1st. So if you have anybody who may be thinking about buying or selling, please put them in touch with us. Don't forget to like or subscribe to this YouTube or on Facebook and comment. We want to hear what you have to say, and we want to know if you have any questions about real estate. And don't forget to share this out.
Exactly. Yeah. So if you need to reach me in the meantime, you can reach out at 250-360-6106, either phone or text. You can email info@andrewplank.com. And also I've got the website, andrewplank.com, with lots of Q&As and resources available, including a business directory of great people in town that might be looking for some work that you might need done. Jen?
Yes, I am Jen Lowe, mortgage broker with Modern Mortgage Group, Dominion Lending Centers. My cell number 250-217-4925. Email is jen@jenlowe.ca, and my website is jenlowe.ca. Just a quick update with regards to the Bank of Canada. Update yesterday, no change. The next time the Bank of Canada is meeting is January 28th next year.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. And if you want to reach me, I'm Jane Johnston. I'm with the Bar Hill Group at Remax Camosun. My number is 250-744-0775. And you can reach me by email at jane@barhillgroup.com, although text message is better. And you can look at our listings and more at barhillgroup.com. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at realtyteacher_Remax_Victoria. Alrighty.
There we go.
So
it's been a
See you on the 8th. Sorry, go ahead.
Waiting on
It's
Jen.
been an awesome year working with you guys.
You too, Jen. Thank you. Yeah. And you, Jane, as well. Thank you, guys. And thanks to our audience as well for tuning in every Thursday at 9:30. And we will see you next time in January 8th.
Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.